thing is mint.
383.
What's that?
Barracudas, cornets.
Holy shit. Yeah, let's just keep walking down this way, or we can circle around, I don't care. Like, I want to see the Dodge. Give me the damn Dodge.
Yesterday was like 40s and 50s and 60s, like hot rods, and now it's muscle cars today. Like Dodge stuff, which is rare. Nice wagon.
Oh yeah, Plymouth wagon. Oh fuck.
Four-door Scamp. It's probably a Scamp, but it has like the same grill and everything as a Dartwood of that year.
You gonna
Or it's
remember?
a four-door Dart.
You gonna remember this place? Come back and buy a car. You're like, yeah. Meg, we can't get married this year. Something came up. Very important.
This is insane. Four-door Ballerina, even though they're four-door, it's blowing my mind. I've never seen this many Dodges. That's a Charger right there. I've never seen this in my entire life. I am freaking the fuck out right now.
Oh yeah, there's a man. All these fucking rows of cars. There's like tons of muscle cars here. It pulls this thing out of the whole back line. The Firebird. Man, this is fucking sick.
Reminds me of Roadkill, like Dulcige's place.
Yeah.
All the multis. I've never seen a multi in a junkyard, let alone this
A
many.
million of them. You should seriously pick one out and like restore it. Like, no, seriously though.
I won't be able to,
Well, maybe not right this second, but like pick one out, take a picture, favorite it, and then be like, that. Oh man, the fucking big ass Dodge panel van over there.
Two satellites. They're boost versions of a Cornet.
What's the blue car over there?
Barracuda. We'll walk over there.
If you look up and down this row, there's tons of fucking muscle cars on this
I just
too.
want to run at speed.
Oh my god, look.
We'll look at these and then we'll go back.
You're like, I don't know where to look.
Four-door satellite, but same body as a Road Runner. Another cool wagon. It's almost multi. This is another Road Runner. Two-door body.
This is fairly close to where I'll be living too. Maybe I could just come out here, pull one out when I like make some money, and then start working on it.
Yeah.
Just rent out like a storage unit or something. I could put it in and just work on it out of the storage unit because they have power outlets.
Or even just to save.
I love the fucking trim on this shit.
It is awesome.
The roof rack.
Or even just to save.
Well, yeah, either way. I'm going to be out there probably a few years and have an excess of money.
Another Road Runner.
Like, and I could always come back here for more parts, obviously.
Yeah.
Get some, like, patinaed old fucking muscle car. This is nutty. You checking out his collection in the back?
Yeah.
I'm about to shit my pants.
500. This is a rare car. And it's a convertible.
Oh, yo, Wyatt.
Challenger. When have you seen a Challenger in a junkyard?
I have never been in a junkyard where I see anything, Wyatt. blackjack header sticker.
This is a 73 or a 4, I think. But still cool. Another Challenger here.
Jesus. Same thing.
Yeah. So let's look at those. Let's look at the van. And then we'll go back to where we started.
This is actually fucking insane. Oh, look at the rims on this bad boy.
That's like the Green Hornet car right there.
Yeah.
That's our Imperial. Do you want a picture in front of the van?
Yeah.